Gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Aulia Miftaul Huda from the Department of Guidance and Counseling, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I am very happy to present here today. I'll do my best to deliver my presentation in English. It may not be perfect, but I really hope you can feel my passion for this topic. Today, I would like to talk about something that we all use every day in class, at home, and even in the workplace: interpersonal communication skills. Before I begin, let me ask you a question. Have have you ever had a misunderstanding with your friends because just because of poor communication? Yes, I believe many of us have experienced that. That why learning to communicate well so important, especially for vocational students who will soon enter the professional world. Let me begin my presentation by explaining the background of my study. The title of my paper is The Importance of Interpersonal Communication Skills for Emotional Well-being and Life Satisfaction among Vocational Students. As we know, communication is a basic part of human life, but in the 21st century, interpersonal communication skills have become one of the most important soft skills for success, not only in academic and career, but also in maintaining our emotional well-being. This study focus on vocational school students because they need not only I'm sorry, because they need not only technical competence but also social and emotional skill to adapt in real working environment. However, the increasing use of gadgets has reduced face-to-face interaction among students. This situation may weaken empathy, cooperation, and emotional connection. Therefore, this research reviews literature from psychology, education, philosophy, health, and guidance and counseling to understand how interpersonal communication supports empathy, collaboration, and life satisfaction. In short, developing strong interpersonal communication skills help students become more balanced, empathic, and emotionally healthy individual. Ladies and gentlemen, interpersonal communication skills play a very important role in students' personal and professional lives. First, their skills become the key to building social identity and professional readiness. They help students understand how to interact, cooperate, and behave appropriately in different social and work situations. Second, interpersonal communication skill is part of employability skills or soft skill that determine success in the workplace. And the third, good communication helps students to build self-confidence and emotional well-being. When students can express their feeling clearly and respectfully, they feel more valued and emotionally balanced. Finally, the skills also help in solving problems. It means that interpersonal communication skills help facilitate problem solving. So, interpersonal communication is not just about talking, it's about connecting, understanding, and creating positive relationship that prepare students for real life. After understanding the importance of interpersonal communication skill, now let's talk about some of the challenges uh, we face in the digital era. Today, technology connect us faster than ever before. However, in this digital era, communication face new challenge. Many student spend, I'm sorry, many students spend too much time on their phones or gadget. Studies show that this can reduce face-to-face interaction, empathy, and even emotional closeness with others. There is a phenomenon called the iPhone effect. The iPhone effect. When a phone is visible during a conversation, people feel less connected. Another example is pubbing, which means ignoring someone because we are focused on our phone. This weakens relationship and reduce respect between students. So technology is useful, but we must use it wisely. Now let's take a deeper look at interpersonal communication from different academic perspective. Because communication is not only about language or speaking, interpersonal communication can be understood from many perspectives. The first, from a psychological perspective, it helps students understand themselves and others, develop empathy, and strengthen identity. From an education perspective, it supports collaborative learning and prepares students for teamwork in the workplace. From a philosophical perspective, communication is a form of authentic dialogue, a way to affirm our humanity in a digital world. From a health perspective, good communication helps prevent uh, stress, loneliness, and mental health problems. And from the guidance and counseling perspective, the skill can be developed through a humanistic and collaborative approach that builds self-awareness, empathy, and conflict resolution. Resolution. Okay. Now let's talk about the positive implication. What happens when students truly develop strong interpersonal communication skill? These positive effects are not only short term, but they can last throughout a person's life. Developing good interpersonal communication skills gives many positive effects. Students become more confident and emotionally stable. They can build better relationships with friends, teacher, and family. Their skills also help reduce conflict and misunderstanding and prevent digital isolation. In the long term, they lead to a happier and more meaningful life. Let's move to the final fact. Some practical recommendation for developing interpersonal communication skill among vocational students. Based on finding and implication we have discussed, there are several realistic and meaningful actions that schools, teachers, and students can take together. To develop their skills, schools can take some practical steps. Integration of soft skill module in vocational curriculum or interpersonal communication training program or workshops. It may be no gadget timing for face-to-face interaction, reflection and feedback, regular communication, and encourage social and collaborative activities and collaborative with external institutions and professionals. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reach the end of this presentation, let me conclude our discussion with one important reminder. Interpersonal communication skills are not just about talking. They are about connecting, understanding, and building relationships that make life more meaningful. For vocational students, the skills are not only valuable for academic success, but also essential for emotional well-being, teamwork, and professional readiness. In this digital era, we are surrounded by technology. Yet, what truly keeps us human is our ability to listen, to empathize, and to communicate from the heart. By developing strong interpersonal communication skills, students can grow into individuals who are confident, caring, and ready to face the future with compassion and clarity. I certainly hope that this presentation inspires all of us, educators, students, and professionals, to make communication a way of creating understanding, harmony, and happiness in our schools and communities. Thank you very much for your kind attention. It has been a pleasure that share my thoughts with you today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.